favorite plants. I think it's beautiful to look at. It's long lasting, and you just sprinkle little seeds in there and just gently rake the top of it with your fingers and it will grow. And I just put a variety of soils. I mix a bunch of soils together just to make sure it's not too compacted. But anyway, if you want an herb that's easy to grow and beautiful and smells good and tastes good, and you can chop it up with your herb scissors and put it in on top of potatoes or Mexican food or whatever. Anyway, chives is a good plant to grow. This is probably the prettiest one I've ever grown. I love it. If you're just starting out in your gardening experiences, I would suggest that you start out with chives. It's a beautiful plant, and it's one that actually grows pretty well for me. And it does really well in a pot. And I am growing this outdoors. I just brought it in to show you, but I'm so thrilled with it. It's just beautiful. And I just sprinkle it in, put some good soil in there. And you know, it doesn't want to be soaking wet all the time. So just kind of ignore it and water it once in a while. And I use chives, I mean, several times a week. I just use it. I put it in everything. I love it. It's like a mini onion, I guess. I just take my handy herb scissors, which I always talk about because I am addicted to them. I love them. And you just chop off some and chop it up into little pieces. I hate to chop it, but I'm going to because I'll just eat it later. Anyway, you just chop that up. Look how beautiful that is. Beautiful chives. And these are great on top of potatoes. Really good. Or Mexican food or any kind of food. I just love my chives. In almost every video, my husband seems to butt in. He likes to talk to me from across the room. So just be looking for those little tidbits now and then. Love him. Bye. Chives will give all of your soups a just wonderful, fabulous flavor. It's good in soups. It's good in everything.